What is 2 plus 5? A. 7. B. 6. C. 8. A is the correct answer. 2 plus 5 is 7. What is 3 plus 3? A. 7. B. 6. C. 8. B is the correct answer. 3 plus 3 is 6. What is 4 plus 4? A. 7. B. 6. C. 8. C is the correct answer. 4 plus 4 is 8.